Hello everyone, exciting news. We are launching today our Ajax web ordering portal. So let me introduce myself. I'm Jeremy from Inaxsys, and today I will show you how to register on Inaxsys.com to be able to order your Ajax products. So you log in, you go on Inaxsys.com, you click on login, and then register. Here you will have a small form to complete. So let's do this right away. Once your form is complete, all you need to do is click on Become an Ajax dealer, and from there you'll have a bigger form that you will need to complete. So make sure you have all your business information on hand when you do this step, simply because it can be a long process, since we'll need everything on our end to secure the information. So we'll need your courier, your tax number, everything like that. So if you feel like you're not the right person, maybe ask around in your business to make sure you have everything you need. And that's the first scenario on how to register to become an Ajax dealer. So that's if you don't have an Inaxsys account and you're not registered as an Ajax dealer with us. Second scenario would be that you're part already of the Inaxsys community and you would like to become an Ajax dealer. So all you have to do is log in with your existing account, go under Products, Ajax Systems, All Products, and from there you place an order. When you'll be clicking on Place an Order, you'll receive this prompt where it will ask you, would you like to become an Ajax dealer? You click Yes Please, and again you will have to complete the form to become an Ajax dealer. In this process we receive your form, we see that all the information is clear and nothing is missing, and then you will hear back from us to make sure that everything is fine, and you'll be able to order online right away. Last but not least, the third scenario on how to become an Ajax dealer and order online on Inaxsys.com would be that you're already a member of the Inaxsys community and you're already an Ajax dealer, but for some reason you don't see the pricing appearing under the Ajax products. In that case, what I suggest is contact sales@inaxsys.com directly, and we'll be able to support you and help you throughout that process. It shouldn't take too long, so make sure you contact us right away. Again, thank you for watching this video. As a reminder, Inaxsys is the first official Ajax distributor in Canada, and we're really proud of it. If you want to learn more about the Ajax product, right here, we had a new video about the live quality that just released, and you can buy it right now under our website. So go into the description, sign up into the Inaxsys community, and become an Ajax dealer right away. Thank you.